Want to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets but just can't find the option? No worries, because I've got you covered in this really quick tutorial. In Microsoft Excel, there's a direct option to highlight duplicates under Conditional Formatting. Unfortunately, such an option doesn't exist in Google Sheets yet, at least not without installing anything. That being said, we can still highlight duplicates in Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you how now. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to highlight duplicates on. In this case, I'm going to highlight the entire column A. Then, click on Format, followed by Conditional Formatting. On the right, you will see the Conditional Format Rules dialog open up. Make a quick check that the range you want to apply the rules on is correct. Then, under Format Rules, scroll down and select the Custom Formula option. Now you will need to type a formula here that, if true, will result in the cell to be highlighted. Then type the formula, equals COUNTIF, open, bracket A, colon, A, comma, A1, close, bracket, greater than 1. Basically, what this does is that it tells Sheets where to look for duplicates. The info in parentheses are the column you want to track, and the cell to start with, while more than one means you want to count anything appearing more than once. And there you have it, the duplicates in column A are now highlighted. You can adjust the column letter as needed. Replace column A with C and the starting cell as C1, for example. You can also change the default green highlight color to one of your liking. Let's change it to yellow. If you'd rather not use formulas, you can also download add-ons from Google Sheets that will automatically find and highlight the duplicates for you. You can find them under the Extensions tab at the top. And then click on Add-ons, followed by Get Add-ons. Personally, for simple highlighting of duplicates, I prefer to just use the formula. Well, I hope you guys found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any problem in Google Sheets you'd like solved.